Good evening, students, and welcome to my channel Millennium Institute of Mathematics. Students, in the previous class, we had already discussed about method 2 to find n number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers a and b. Suppose your given rational numbers are a and b, and you want to find out n number of rational number between a and b. Therefore, you have already studied about method 2 in your previous classes. But in today's classes, we will discuss about method 3 to solve the same type of problem, that is to find out n number of rational numbers between your given rational number a and b. So let's discuss about method 3. The topic is how to find n number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers a and b. It means suppose your given rational numbers are a and b. Suppose your given rational numbers are a and b. These two are your given rational numbers, and you want to find out n number of rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. N number of rational numbers, it means you can find out only one rational number, you can find out two rational number. It means n का वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है, n का वैल्यू 1 हो सकता है, ये जो n है ना, इसका वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है, either n equal to 1 or n equal to 2 or n equal to 3 and so on. When n equal to 1, you mean that you have to find out only one rational number between your given rational numbers a and b. When n equal to 1, it means you have to find out only one rational number between your given rational number a and b. If n का वैल्यू 2 हो जाएगा, it means if n equal to 2, then you mean that you have to find out two rational numbers between your given rational number a and b. Similarly, n का वैल्यू 3 हो सकता है, n का वैल्यू 4 हो सकता है, it means n का वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है. So how can you find out n number of rational number between your given rational number a and b? Already you have studied method 1 and also method 2 in your previous classes to solve such type of problem. But in today's class, you will learn method 3. You will learn method 3, how to find or how to solve such type of problem. It means you can follow method 3 to find n number of rational number between your given rational numbers a and b. So let's start method 3. Method 3. Already you have studied about method 1 and also method 2 to find n number of rational numbers. But in today's class, आज का क्लास में you will study about method 3 to find n number of rational number between your given rational number a and b. So let's start method 3. Method 3. While you follow this method or while you go through this method, it has two cases. It has two cases. It has two cases. First case and second case. Method 3. It has two cases. The first case. The first case. The first case is that when your given rational numbers, it means a and b. When your given rational numbers a and b are consecutive and having like denominators. Yes, the first case is that when your given rational numbers are consecutive and also having like denominators. So the first case tells you that where your given rational numbers are consecutive. Here the word consecutive, what do you mean by this word? And also it has been written here like denominator. So consecutive this term and like denominator this term. So what do you mean by these two terms, consecutive and like denominator? First you have to know what is consecutive and what is having like denominator. You can understand it through an example. Suppose your given rational numbers are 2 by 3, your given rational numbers are 3 by 4 and 2 by 4. Suppose your given rational numbers are 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. Suppose ये जो a है ना, it is your given rational number. Suppose इसका वैल्यू 2 by 4 है सपोज, और ये जो b है ना, सपोज इसका वैल्यू 3 by 4 है. So 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, these two are your given rational numbers and you want to find out n number of rational number, suppose n का वैल्यू 3 है suppose. It means you have to find out 3 rational numbers between these two given rational numbers. Here you see that these two rational numbers. These two given rational numbers have the same denominator, that is 4. Therefore, these two rational numbers 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, these two rational numbers are, are said to be like these two rational numbers are said to be like. Why they are said to be like? Why they are called like? Because they have the same denominator, that is 4. So like इसका मतलब है having same denominator. So your given rational numbers here your given rational numbers are like because they have the same denominator. So it has been written here, your given rational numbers are consecutive and also having like denominator. It means your given rational numbers will have the same denominator. Therefore, it has been written here like denominator. Similarly, you also see that out of these two given rational numbers, this one, that is 3 by 4, is the next of this one, that is 2 by 4. It means out of your given rational numbers 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is the next of 2 by 4, and therefore these two rational numbers are also said to be consecutive. So consecutive means one rational number is the next of the other rational number. So you see that finally you see that these two rational numbers are your given rational number, and they are like because they have the same denominator, that is 4. Therefore they are like, and they are also consecutive because one is the next of the other. So how to find n number of rational number between such type of rational number? It means when your given rational numbers are like and consecutive. In that case, how can you find out n number of rational number between these two given rational numbers? So what is the procedure? So it is the first case. You have to learn about it. How to find n number of rational number in the first case where the given rational numbers are consecutive and also like. So let's start discussing about the first case with the help of an example. First note it. So students, let's consider the first case to find n number of rational number between your given rational number. So first we will discuss about the first case where your given rational numbers are like and also consecutive, and you want to find out n number of rational numbers between them. So what is the way or what is the procedure to find n number of rational numbers between your given rational numbers? We will understand it better through an example. Suppose question number 6 of exercise 1A. Question number 6 of exercise 1A. We will take this as our example to understand better the first case. So, what is question number 6? What is question number 6? Which is given in your mathematics book written by R.S. Sobral. Find 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational numbers. It is your question. Find 6 rational numbers. Find 6 rational numbers between 2 and 3. It is question number 6 of exercise 1A of the mathematics book written by R.S. Sobral of class 9. So, how can you find out 6 rational number between 2 and 3? Between 2 and 3. Students, in this question, as you want to find out 6 rational number. Therefore, value of n equal to 6. Value of n equal to 6. And your given rational numbers are 2 and 3. It means as the rule, value of a equal to 2, value of b equal to 3. And you want to find out 6 rational number between your given rational number 2 and 3. So what is the procedure? Students, you see here that the given rational number 2, it can be written as 2 by 1, and 3 can be written as 3 by 1. And you also see that both rational numbers have the same denominator, that is 1. Therefore, these two rational numbers are said to be like. These two rational numbers are said to be like. And you also see that 3 is the next of 2. It means 3 by 1 is the next of 2 by 1, and therefore these two rational numbers are also said to be conjugative. So, your given rational number 2 and 3 are like and also conjugative. And what is the procedure, or how can you find out 6 rational numbers between these two rational numbers which have the same denominator and which are also conjugative? How can you find out 6 rational numbers? So, your first duty is to find out the equivalent rational number of this rational number and also this rational number. इसका मतलब है पहले आपको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर. किसका? 2 by 1 का इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है, एंड 3 by 1 का इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर, इसको भी आपको फाइंड करना है. एंड द कंडीशन इज दैट both will be like as these two. It means first note it. Yes, students, what I said you, your first duty is to find out, is to find out is to find out the equivalent fraction of this one and also this one by multiplying both the denominators by your first duty is to find the equivalent rational number of 2 by 1 and also 3 by 1 by multiplying n plus 1, by multiplying n plus 1, that is 6 plus 1, as n का वैल्यू 6 है, therefore n plus 1 का वैल्यू 6 plus 1 equal to 7 हो जाएगा. So how can you change or how can you find out the equivalent rational number of these two given rational number? How can you find out their equivalent rational numbers? To find out the equivalent rational numbers of 2 by 1, you have to multiply its numerator and denominator by n plus 1, that is 7. It is the rule. Yes, the rule tells us that in order to find the equivalent rational number of this one and also this one, what will you do? Now, what will you do? You simply multiply the numerator and denominator. You simply multiply the numerator 2 and the denominator 1 by n plus 1, that is 7. As n equal to 6, therefore n plus 1 equal to 7. So ये दोनों न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 7 में मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए टू फाइंड आउट इट्स इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर, दैट विल बी 14 by 7. So 14 by 7 is the equivalent rational number of 2 by 1. Equivalent rational numbers का मतलब है 2 by 1 is equal to 14 by 7. It means in place of 2 by 1, you can use 14 by 7. Therefore, it is called the equivalent rational number of 2 by 1. Similarly, you have to find out the equivalent rational number of 3 by 1 by multiplying its numerator and denominator by the same number, that is 7. Yes, the rule is that if n equal to 6, then you have to find n plus 1, that will be 7, and this number will be multiplied by the numerator and denominator of each fraction to find out their respective इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर. सो 3 by 1 का इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर क्या होगा ना, इसीलिए 3 को एंड 1 को, न्यूमरेटर को एंड डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा by 7 में, एंड फाइनली you got 21 by 7. So 21 by 7, it is the equivalent rational number of 3 by 1, and 14 by 7, it is the equivalent rational number of 2 by 1. It means in place of 2 by 1, you can use 14 by 7, and in place of 3 by 1, you can use 21 by 7. So 14 by 7, it is the equivalent rational number of 2 by 1. Therefore, in place of 2 by 1, I wrote 14 by 7. And in place of 3 by 1, I wrote 21 by 7. Because it is the equivalent rational number of 3 by 1. Now, 14 by 7 and 21 by 7. Suppose these two are your given rational number instead of 2 by 1 and 3 by 1. Or 2 and 3. ये दोनों 14 by 7 and 21 by 7, ये दोनों अभी तुम्हारा रेशनल नंबर हो गया. इसके बदले में 2 by 1 and 3 by 1 का बदले में 14 by 7 and 21/7 your given rational number हो गया. Now you can easily find out 6 rational number because in the question you are asked to find out 6 rational number, so you can easily find out 6 rational number between 14/7 and 21/7. What will be there? The first rational number will be 15/7, then 16/7, then 17/7, then 18/7, then 19/7, then 20/7. So these 6 are the rational number between 14/7 and 21/7. Now, first note it. That implies, now in place of 14/7, you again write 2/1. Why? Because 14/7 is the equivalent rational number of 2/1. First, you used 14/7 in place of 2/2. Now, you come back to your root rational number. So, in place of 14/7, you have to write 2/1 because 2/1 is the root rational number of 14/7, or you can say that 14/7 is the equivalent rational number of 2/1. Therefore, in place of 14/7, you can write 2/1. Similarly, in place of 21/7, you can write 3/1 because 21/7 was the equivalent rational number of 3/1. So, in place of 14/7, you wrote 2/1, and in place of 21/7, you wrote 3/1. Now, these 6 rational number are the rational number between 2/1 and 3/1. So, you can write 15/7, then 16/7, then 17/7, then 18/7, then 19/7, then 20/7. So these 6 are the are your required rational number. As in the question you are asked to find out 6 rational numbers. So these 6 rational numbers are your required rational numbers, which lie between 2/1 and 3/1. So it is your solution. So note it. So students, from the first case you will learn that when your given rational number A and B are like and also consecutive, when your given rational number A and B, suppose your given rational number A and B are like and consecutive. Like का मतलब है they have the same denominator, and consecutive का मतलब है one will be the next of the other. So in that case, simply you have to change your given rational number into their respective equivalent rational number by multiplying the numerator and denominator by n plus 1. So it is the rule, you have to obey it. You have to keep it in your mind. So finally, I am telling you that the given rational numbers which are like, it means which have the same denominator and which are also consecutive, will be changed into their respective equivalent rational number by multiplying the numerator and denominator of both the rational number by n plus 1. It is the rule, you have to obey it and you have to keep it in your mind. Students, we will take another example. to be cleared more about the first case. About the first case, we will take another example to be cleared more about the first case. So now the second example. Friends, मैं आपको फिर से बोल देता हूँ कि अभी हम डिस्कस किया मेथड थ्री का केस वन मीन्स where your given rational numbers are like and also consecutive. Like का मतलब है they have the same denominator and consecutive का मतलब है one will be the next of the other. So already we have discussed about case one. So to understand better about case one, you can take another example, that is find another example. It is the another example to understand better about case one. The question is that find out three rational numbers. Find out three rational numbers between 3/5 and 4/5. Between 3/5 and 4/5. This is the problem you have to solve it. Students, in this question, you are asked to find out three rational numbers. It means an का value here, an का value 3 है. So according to the rule, you have to find n plus 1. That will be 3 plus 1 equal to 4. And this number, this 4, will be multiplied by the numerator and the denominator of both the fraction in order to change them into their respective equivalent rational numbers. So the rule is that you have to multiply n plus 1, that is 4, by the numerator and denominator of this rational number, and also by the numerator and denominator of this rational number in order to change these two rational numbers into their respective equivalent rational number. So it is your first duty. So change these two rational numbers into their respective equivalent rational numbers. So simply you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by this number, that is 4. 4 is the value of n plus 1 because n का value 3 है. So according to the rule, n plus 1 will be 4. So you have to multiply 4 by the numerator, that is 3, and also by the denominator, that is 5. And finally you got 12/20. So 12/20 is the respective equivalent rational number of 3/5. Similarly, 4/5 का रेस्पेक्टिव रेशनल नंबर को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए यू हैव टू सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई 4 बाय दिस नंबर, that is 4, and also multiply 5 by this number, that is 4. It means the numerator and the denominator both will be multiplied by 4. Will be multiplied by 4 by this number in order to change 4/5 into its respective rational number. That will be 16/20. Now, in place of 3/5, you can write 12/20, and in place of 4/5, you can write 16/20, and between these two rational numbers already you have got 13 by 20. It is the first rational number between these two. Then 14 by 20, it is the second rational number, and then 15 by 20, it is the third rational number. So these three are the rational number between 12 by 20 and 16 by 20. That implies, in place of 12 by 20, now you write 3 by 5. Because 12 by 20 is the equivalent rational number of 3 by 5. So in place of 12 by 20, you can again write 3 by 5, and in place of 16 by 20, you can again write 4 by 5. And between these two rational numbers, the required three rational numbers are these three. That is 13 by 20, 14 by 20, and 15 by 20. So this is your solution. This is your solution. So note it. Note it. So students, मेथड 3 का केस 1 ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट हो गया. सो इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास we will discuss about case 2 of method 3. मेथड 3 का 2 केसेस है, केस 1 केस 2. केस 1 में दोनों रेशनल नंबर लाइक है एंड ऑल्सो कंजुगेटिव है. इट इज केस 1. So we will discuss about case 2 in our next class. So आज के लिए इतना ही है.